YouTube? We are back at it with the RSX. We are going to start doing the intercooler piping. Let me get some tools. Already got the bumper removed. If you're watching this one, we previously just did the up pipe. Same day, in fact. Movie magic later that day. We are now getting ready to do the intercooler piping. And so far, got the bumper off. Working on getting the turbo off. I think I got one more bolt left back here. Alright, and set you guys up real quick. Alright. Well, good news is, it looks healthy in there. No fins are bent. Everything looks good. Alright, let's go see what we got. So, we got some pretty neat toys here. Vibrant. We got some Vibrant HD clamps we will be putting on the well, that ain't gonna work. Oh, let's check that out. So yeah, cut it off, cut this down. Put this on there. Other side of the HD clamp. Make it work for me. Then probably add one there and one there. And the client got one of these to do. So we'll have to cut that down too. Well, good morning. It's the next day, and we are going to get started on this RSX. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw it, but we got the turbo off. We're going to take the intercooler piping off, cut these little bevels down, and weld on some HD clamps, and try to run one-piece intercooler setup. Well, one-piece piping. Take you guys over to the workbench. Turbo here, it's all ready. I'm gonna cut this off. Weld this guy on. And then probably this. So, let me get started and I'll cut you back on. Alright, well, let's get started. So let's go take a look at it and see how it sits on the car. Alright, that should work. Let's go weld it up. I'm gonna get set up and I'll cut you back on. Alright, so we got the HD clamp welded up, the reducer welded up onto the turbo housing. Yeah, let's go see how she fits. I'll let it cool down first because it's hot off the press. Yo, welcome back. Well, it's been 2 days since the last time you've seen this, but we got the turbo on the car. And we have made one side of the intercooler piping. Now, the GoPro died, so while it was recharging, I welded the HD clamp on here, made that, and on the throttle body. Also, we ran into a speed bump, had to relocate the fuse box. It was under here, so we relocated it, ran the wires how the customer had it. And right now we are currently making the secondary one. So far, here's what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up and then I'll cut you guys back on. What up, y'all? So we got pretty far on the intercooler piping. Unfortunately, here in Florida, it's looking like it's about to rain. So we got about right there, and we still got to connect it to right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. It's Sunday, so I want to spend time with my family, and stick around for part 2. All right, peace.